Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Anjuna and Vagator are two of the pristine and popular beaches in North Goa.
In our last episode, we went for cafe hopping in Arambol. And today we will explore what Anjuna and Vagator has to offer and try the famous wood-fired pizza at Morgan's Place. Welcome to a brand new season of Bunkers Note, where we bring to you Goa the way we see it.
We are Urvi and Utsav, full-time travelers and digital storytellers. We call Goa our home for the next 1 month and bring to you some amazing content as we experience Goa from north to south. Welcome to another new episode of Bonkers Note. Today we are driving towards Anjuna Beach.
By now, as you know, we are spending a month in Goa and we are exploring Goa from north to south. Do follow us on our journey by subscribing to our channel Bonkers Note and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
So the plan today is, first we'll go to Anjuna Beach, spend some time there, then have lunch and end our day by visiting the Vagator Beach.
We have arrived at Anjuna Beach. We have parked our car. Parking here is 100 rupees. And from here we'll start walking towards the beach. On our way towards the beach, we could spot various shops selling different artifacts, souvenirs and clothes. The Anjuna Beach was discovered by hippies in 1960s, and since then it has been a hotspot for hippie activities. The Anjuna Beach also has a flea market which opens every Wednesday. The Anjuna Beach is part of the Goan coastline and it stretches for quite long. At one end there are these rocky formations. On the other end, the characteristic of this beach changes quite dramatically and gives way to sandy beaches. There are lots of palm trees surrounding this beach which gives it a very good look.
The Anjuna Beach has quite a bit of a rocky part. I am walking on it currently, and behind me you can see a place where the Anjuna flea market happens. It's a very happening flea market, but it happens only on Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. So it's a overnight market, but as it is not Wednesday today, we'll not be able to show you that. There are quite a lot of accommodations along the Anjuna Beach and lots of beach shacks are there, and water sports activities are also going on here. It's very happening. Loud musics are playing in the background and it's a nice and happy vibe.
One of the tips that we can share with you is that if you want to avoid those touristy beaches in Goa, then do your research and try and avoid those beaches which offer water sports activities. Tourists are attracted to these beaches most. They are here for the water sports activity. Beaches like Anjuna, Baga, Kalangut maybe, Kalangut, that's also in this list. These are the beaches where water sports activities are offered. Many people will come and flock here, and there will be different sellers who will be pushing for the water sports activities.
Yeah, but if you want to do water sports activities, then obviously these are the destinations, these all are the places where you can come and have some fun. After exploring the Anjuna Beach, we will head to this pizza cafe, that is Martin's Place. We have heard that the pizza here is very famous, so we'll have some lunch and go to the Vagator Beach.
We are at Morgan's Place, right? This place is famous for their wood-fired pizza. We have ordered a Sicilian pizza right now. We are waiting for it to arrive. While we wait, we are sipping on some cold drinks and enjoying the sea. They have an absolute breathtaking view, which you can enjoy while you are having meal here. This place has two sitting areas, one at the ground floor and one at first floor. Both offer parallel breathtaking view of the sea, but we kind of preferred that one level up and we came to the first floor sitting.
They have a very relaxed sitting arrangement overlooking the sea.
That lovely beautiful thin crust pizza. It is so good. It is as good as it looks. It's got a nice spread of cheese, thin crust. It's very crispy. It has some bell peppers, olives, eggplant, bell peppers, cheese, onions, tomatoes, all making up a nice vegetarian flavor. There is a very distinct flavor of tomato sauce. That along with the cheese. This is really taking the flavor a notch above. And I can smell that woody flavor into it. It's definitely a pizza prepared on a wood burner.
The pizza was really nice and now the tummy is full, so it's time to hit the beach.
Our next destination is going to be Vagator Beach. We are going there to catch the sunset.
So we took a pit stop as we usually do on our journey. This time we are in Goa's Para Road. It's a famous spot to take great pictures.
We have almost arrived at the Vagator Beach parking. The parking here is free, but we have to rush to catch the sunset.
So here we are, we have come to Vagator Beach, and according to us, along with Sinkurim Beach, this is one of the best places to catch a sunset in Goa. So from the parking in Vagator, we are now descending down to the actual beach. We must hurry. There is a sunset to catch. So there are a series of steps that you need to descend to get to the actual beach. Almost there. I am running to get in time. Yeah, that was not difficult, but due to lack of time, it almost turned out to be a baby hike. So this is the beautiful Vagator with this beautiful sunset at my backdrop. Over time, the crowd has learned to come to this beach as well. But still you can manage some spot from where you can catch that breathtaking sunset. This feels so good to be out here.
This time around I see that the Vagator beach is completely flocked by tourists. It's so crowded that even you can't find an inch of a place to sit and see the sunset. There are some of the other places near the Vagator beach from where you can have a beautiful view of the sunset. One is the Chapora Fort from where you can have a beautiful view. The fort is situated on the top of a hill and it's a bit of a hike to get there. So you can climb the fort and from top of the fort you can view the sunset. Also there is a restaurant named Thalassa. It's a Greek restaurant and it is very pretty and very nice. I have visited there before but this time around we couldn't make it. But the sunset view from there is also very nice. The Vagator area has some of the nice and high-end stays in Goa, making it a perfect holiday destination for people who come to enjoy Goa with their friends and family. I can see some of the water sports activities are going on in this beach as well. This time around this place has also been very commercialized with some beach shacks and some water sports activities. But nevertheless, still a piece of nature is preserved. And now let's enjoy the sunset. So it's sundown and now we are going back to our stay. We had a great day at some of the beautiful beaches in North Goa. If you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified once we upload new videos. And let's go bonkers in the next one.